Hey everybody, day 2 of, or maybe 3 of the, what am I calling it, Ward Street Sanitarium or something like that. Anyway, the haunted house, right, the dynamic haunted house. So right now what I'm in the process of doing is I am dismantling parts of the former haunted house and doing some cleanup and some stuff that was kind of thrown together last minute last year. I'm pulling that apart so that I can do a better job putting that together, and I'm restructuring some things so the path that we took through here last year is going to be different this year. So that's going to be a bit of a change for those of you that have gone through the haunted house a few times. It's going to be a little different this year. The theme, you hear those birds? There's a lot of birds out here. I think I'm making them mad, messing with their territory. Anyway, you can see those masks behind me. We had those up on those walls last year. We may or may not do something with those again this year. I really liked the effect, and it seemed like we got a lot of good feedback on that, but we don't want to get boring, so we're going to mix things up a little bit this year. So the path is, like I said, the path's going to be different. It's going to be a little bit more of a, there might be a maze. I like to do the maze that gets you a little bit creeped out when you're going through a maze. Anyway, so that's what's going on right now. Day 3. This is what, April 2nd, or no, May 2nd. Sorry, May 2nd. So getting a little bit of an earlier start on it than previous years. Hopefully I can keep at it. We've been really busy with doing the Zoom classes for the dojo. It's been a lot busier than it would normally be. So we're working longer hours doing that. So I actually don't really have a surplus of time to be doing this, but I need something to get my mind off of everything else. So it's coming together. So wish me luck, and I'll keep you posted. Okay, guys. I got a lot of stuff done today. I took down a bunch of walls. You can see them over there kind of stacked up, and some of the boards and whatnot. I opened up this space here so I can clean that up and have access to some of my power tools that are, that's the best place for me to use them. So that's what's been going on today. May 2nd. I'm a little bit dirty. Been working on this stuff. Everything's dusty and it gets really dirty out here. So clean up and what do you call it? Deconstruction before construction is going well.